How to change the email address linked to your Discord account. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update your Discord email address quickly and securely. First, open the Discord app and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon and go to Settings. From there, select Account. Here, you'll see the email address currently connected to your Discord account. Tap on your email address, then choose the option to send a verification code to your current email. Open your inbox, find the verification email from Discord, and copy the code. Return to Discord, enter the verification code, and confirm it. After that, type in the new email address you want to use for your Discord account. Now tap Change Email. Enter your Discord password when prompted, and confirm the change. In my case, I don't remember my Discord account password, so I won't be able to complete the email change process on this device. However, if you know your password, simply enter it and done. Discord will then send a verification email to your new email address. Open the email, tap the verification link, and follow the instructions on the screen. Once the verification is complete, return to Discord and your new email address will be successfully linked to your account. And that's how to change your Discord email address on mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Discord tips and tutorials.